one, go.
Hello guys, welcome back guys. Okay.
Three.
Comment down below like what are the other challenges you want us both to do together, like so that we'll be
Able to entertain you and నా కవర్ పంట నువ్వు అట్లీస్ట్ నువ్వు నా కవర్ పని
okay from the
beginning of go.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Smita and she is Purti, my sister.
Hello.
In today's video we are gonna do a challenge. Like this is kind of get to know me kind of video, so I thought it would be fun if I do it like a challenge. So I have few questions here. We are both gonna ask for, I'm gonna answer for hers and she's gonna answer for mine. So if you are interested in this, please keep watching. We shall start now. The first question is,
Yes.
apart from our home and college, where can you always find me?
Find you.
Yes.
Malls?
You're right. And apart from our home and college, there is nowhere, no place on the earth to find you. It's either house or college. So,
True. Yeah.
Okay. The second question.
Yes.
What is my biggest disappointment in my life? Like whole of the life. List down my disappointments.
List down your disappointment. First disappointment would be living Coimbatore.
Leaving Coimbatore. Okay. First of all, first disappointment was leaving
Bangalore. And then
Okay.
again the second disappointment is living Coimbatore.
Leaving Coimbatore.
And then entering engineering
Yes.
and not able to do fashion design.
Exactly. And yours is ending up doing engineering.
Yeah.
And what would your disappointment be?
Similar to yours maybe?
Like you regret leaving Coimbatore?
Yes, I do.
You regretted leaving Bangalore?
Maybe not because I was a kid then.
You were young. Okay. So maybe losing some of your friends over there in Coimbatore, like
Yeah.
leaving them and coming back.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah.
Now the third question is,
Okay.
where would I pick to go if we could
Hmm.
go on a vacation right now?
Right now.
Right now. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe Paris.
Yeah, I would like to go to, Paris, but for the budget thing, I'll first try to kind of go to Maldives and then Bali and then Paris.
Paris.
Okay,
But your dream is Paris.
Yeah, my
At the
dream
end
is
of the day,
my
Paris.
dream is Paris. Okay, you would like to go to Budapest.
Seriously.
Okay?
Yes.
And North India.
Yeah. Some places in North India.
Okay. And now describe my perfect day.
Perfect day. You answer?
Okay. Your perfect day would be like you should be woke up by somebody you really love. Like apart from the three of us, you obviously love us.
Obviously.
But apart from the three of us, like somebody's visiting you by giving you surprise and taking you out, like
Okay.
for movie kind of stuff, not for shopping and all. Like
Okay.
movie and like to some library.
Seriously.
Okay, like to some library and then they take you to where
Right.
ice cream parlor and a good food place, like where you get yum food and like French fries and every variety. Like you should get Chinese, Italian, Indian, Thai, every kind of food over there at one place.
Basically
okay?
a food court.
Basically a food court. Okay,
Yeah.
not in a mall. Not in a mall. Okay, food
No,
place, not in a
okay.
mall. And then taking you to ice cream parlor, as I told, like at 11 in the night,
Yes.
and getting back late home.
True.
That
I
would
would
be-
love that.
Now
That is
fine.
my perfect day. Okay. For you, your perfect day would start like waking you up a little late, and while someone wakes you up, they call you for shopping, and you spend your whole the day in the mall shopping how much ever you can, and
Yeah, but
end up
not only
having
in a mall, like
shopping
anywhere
anywhere.
shopping.
Shopping
Anything
anywhere.
shopping.
Yeah.
it need not be clothes. It need not be makeup.
Need not be accessories. Anything.
Anything,
For
even
that
for the
matter.
grocery thing, I'm ready to go shopping.
Shopping. Yeah. And shopping, and then as you said for me, ice cream.
Ice cream.
Late night.
Yeah,
That is all.
I'm not a foodie girl like you. Okay.
Oh, come on.
But
you're a snacky girl, not a foodie girl. Snacky girl.
I love places like KFC, McDonald's,
Yes.
Domino's, Pizza Hut, like
Anything.
anything
Anywhere
American.
non-veg is served.
Okay. Okay. Next,
Yeah.
mention my top 3 current favorite songs.
Current favorite song. Okay. So.
Not only 3. How much ever you know.
Okay.
Like,
Fine.
don't go on listing. I can't put in the video.
Okay. So yeah. First, it'll be Senorita,
Okay.
Instagram,
Okay.
Then Your Dance,
Then you don't.
Perfect,
Perfect.
Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas.
But enough.
Okay.
Fine. Every songs are my favorites.
Obviously, you're a
Yours.
music fan.
Yours would go like Treat You Better,
Yeah.
Perfect,
Yeah.
Sanam Re,
Yeah.
Khayali,
Yeah.
Pachtaoge,
Okay.
etc.
Enough,
etc.
enough.
etc.
Yeah. Every song.
Every song sung by Arijit Singh, Sid Sriram are our favorites.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, okay, this is like both of us has to answer this question.
Okay.
So name 3 things
Huh?
that we 100% completely agree on.
We both.
We both agree. Like a sibling thing, if it is considered,
Hmm?
like both of us should not agree to many things.
Yeah. We
Which
don't.
is true.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Huh?
there should be at least 3 things that we completely agree on.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's think. Let's really think.
Okay. One would be like everyone has to give us freedom to sleep
Sleep.
whenever we want and
get
wake
up
up whenever we want.
want.
That is
Exactly.
the first thing we agree on.
And our love for coffee and chocolates.
100% we agree on. And the debate, like who will make the coffee,
Coffee, yes.
that we
is-
don't agree. Okay.
And the other thing, maybe photography.
Seriously? I have to plead you like to get a picture.
No, like when we have to shoot,
Yeah.
we shoot it with passion.
Yeah. Yeah, we agree on the picture.
Yeah,
We
that
agree
is
on
what-
the picture, not on the photo.
Photography, okay,
Okay, we
picture.
agree on the
The
picture. Like the frame and things.
Here only they'll get to know how much we disagree each other.
Okay. So the 7th question is,
Yes. We're
Which-
already on the 7th one.
yeah, which kind of restaurant would I love to go to? Like cuisine.
Okay, so
Like yours would be Indian,
Mhm.
Chinese,
Mhm.
switching between them both, and
Okay.
obviously you'll switch to burgers,
burgers
pizzas.
and pizzas. Yeah, true. So for you, it's Chinese and anything with non-veg. Anything with non-veg and of course, pizzas and burgers. As you
Pizzas
said.
and burgers. Yeah. Ice creams, chocolates.
They are not-
our ride or die.
They're not cuisines.
They are not cuisines, but they are food.
food. Yeah, food. If you give me that, I can have it for the whole of my life.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
I'll buy you.
Thank you.
Okay. If I ever get a chance to get a tattoo, what would it be? I have written Spuma. If you get this wrong, then I'm telling you,
What are you telling me?
you'll be on the deathbed post this video.
Oh God.
So
Serious
yours
threat.
Yours would be like you would never choose to go to a tattoo
But
because
yes.
you are reluctant to get your eyebrows done. Okay? If
Yeah,
in
I
case
do
if this is a
understand.
hypothetical question that I have to answer, you might end up getting a musical sign or something. Like I think because you have not spoken about tattoos or anything to me.
Yeah.
Okay, but I have told you if you get this question wrong. Khatam
Okay.
kar.
This is a serious threat. I have to take it seriously.
Yeah.
What would it be? Okay. Oh yeah, French word. A French word.
Yeah, it is a French word.
word.
I want you to be precise because I have written and showed you.
Yeah, wait, let
You
me
failed?
think. Let me
I
think.
can't give you it. Like you have to answer it. This is
Okay.
kind of a rapid fire.
Wait. Give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Oh, okay. Lorien.
La Rien.
Rien.
Okay. Perfect. Which means queen,
Queen.
in French.
Yes.
Okay. Does your sister prefer a dress or a skirt?
Obviously, you prefer a skirt.
And you? My opposite. It's a dress.
That's how we go.
Okay. What is the size of my shoe?
7.
Okay. Convert it to another one.
Seriously?
Yours is 9 or 39. You switch between them.
Then, yeah.
Mine is 38 or 7. It might
38
it
or
might be
7.
8 in some brands too.
Yeah.
Okay.
But your constant is 7.
So that is all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it.
If you like it, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And please do comment down below what are the other challenges you want us to do together.
So that you would get entertained and we will get some love from you guys.
Yeah, that is all for today, guys.
See you all. Bye bye.
Love you.